Hello guys, another beautiful day. I hope you are doing just great. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play My God is an Awesome God by Charles Jenkins. My God is an awesome. Alright? So I'm playing the key of C, then after that I'll give you a full piano tutorial. Alright? My God is an awesome. He can move mountains. Lead me in the valley. Hide me from. My God is awesome. He can move mountains. Lead me in the valley. Hide me from. My God is awesome. He can move. Lead me in the valley. Hide me from the rain. My God is awesome. He can hide me from the rain. My God, awesome Savior, giver of salvation. By your stripes I am healed. You're my awesome, 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 awesome. Alright guys, so it's a very simple one. My God is in 1-1. We are playing the key of C. My God is in 1-1. He can move 5-5. Okay, we go to 6-6-6 and 4-4. My God is in 1-1. This one. And 5, go to 6 minor, F major. That's all about the song. Guys, so that's a very simple chord progression I wanted to give for you for that song. So whatsoever thing that I was putting there or adding was just kind of improvisation. All right, so that's all about the song. I hope you learned something. I just wanted to show the chord progression of the song. God bless you.